Now that's something you don't see every day in Florida. Today we're in Southwest Florida in the area of 10,000 Islands and Marco Island. We came here today to check out to this incredibly neat looking abandoned dome home. But there is so much other beauty here to see that I know we are going to have an incredible day. This is the boat that we're going to be taking with Eco Endeavors. They offer all kinds of tours and excursions, but the one we are doing today is a 3-hour boat tour. It's a thing we're about to do. Let's go. We are not even out of the marina and there are already dolphins swimming all around us. Oh, there they are.
We got a mom and a babe up there.
Oh, they're right there. Oh. They are swimming all around the boat, but I think that there might only be 3 of them. Oh yeah, there's at least 3, yeah. Oh, it's right there. Alright, let's kick this thing into gear and find us a dome house. The dolphins are following us and surfing in the wake. This little island off the coast of Cape Romano is a hot spot for finding seashells, but we won't be able to access it today because it's currently a protected bird nesting area. Some of the birds we can see today are pelicans, oyster catchers, black skimmers, and royal terns. Oh wow, there it is. There's the dome home. So freaking cool. If you take a private tour, you can pretty much, you know, do what you'd like to. And so we're gonna do most of the things that are usually on the normal tour, but we came to this little beach right here so we could fly the drone out there. This is Cape Romano, a cape on the northwest tip of the 10,000 Islands that was once a pretty ritzy area with a few incredible and interesting homes that were built here. All that remains of the homes today is the famous Cape Romano Dome House. Built by an oil tycoon in the early 80s, the land that it once stood on has been taken over by the Gulf of Mexico. Land erosion and a few hurricanes are responsible for the current condition of the domes. What was once an innovative, eco-friendly house of the future is now nothing but a bare structure. Only 4 of the 6 domes remain. The other 2 domes are still there. They're just mostly submerged underwater, and they're clearly not even connected anymore. It's so weird to think that this used to be all land, and so did all of that over there. Sadly, I think I may have just seen a manatee, but I didn't get it on film. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that is. That manatee's leaving a trail. Haven't actually caught it on camera, but he's over there. Come on, buddy, come up for air. Oh, there he is. Do you see him? Oh. Oh. Yeah, mom and a baby manatee. So cute. Oh, cute, huh? There are so many shells on this beach. Although we've had a lovely time on this private beach with a great view of the dome house, our Captain Sarah assures us that the next stop has even better shells. We have come to a beautiful beach that's on the edge of the Gulf of Mexico. And this is the Shell Beach. I think, gosh, I already forgot. She said that it's called 2 names. I already forgot them. Beach Commerce Pass. Nope, that's not it. It's just lovely here. There are so many cool shells. She was right. They are cooler here than the last island. Incredible view. This is just absolutely incredible. Oh wow, is that like a conch? Is it a conch or like something big like that? Gosh, I wish we could find a whole one of these, but we seem to only keep finding pieces like this. There's just so many though. Like look at all the little spiral ones. And then there's like these ones. That's pretty cool. Yeah, is that like an oyster of some kind?
Maybe, I don't know.
There are just shells all over. They're just everywhere. We have reached a very cool, yeah, it's spooky and I like it. Very cool. And if my gauge is right, the dome houses are way over there. Oh, look at this. It's beautiful. Aww, it's a sea turtle nest. What do you think dug a hole right there? I want to know what's in there, but also, do I? There's just so many cool shells. I want to take them all home, but that's just not necessary. I don't need 400 shells, but I want them.
Only 395.
Yeah, I mean, we've got a good like 40 or 50 probably. I think we've collected enough shells for today. Time to take in one last beautiful view and head back to the marina. This is an osprey nest. Even though the piling was knocked over during Hurricane Irma, the ospreys rebuilt their nest in the same spot. We also spotted an osprey along our journey. That is one big bird. Wow, what a trip. That was a fantastic tour. I thought that the dome homes would be the highlight for me, but no, I think it was the dolphins. That was so cool. A huge thank you to Captain Sarah and Eco Endeavors, a phenomenal tour company. Thank you so much for taking us out and showing us a good time today. And we'll definitely leave information for their tours below because they were fantastic. And now I want to go back. I want to do their other tours. I want to go kayaking. Maybe, probably. But anyway, a huge shout out to our patrons. Thank you guys. You are amazing. We appreciate your support so much. If you're interested in becoming a patron, there is information below. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out this video.